All right guys, what's up? So today we're gonna be taking a look at the summer quarterly box from Nomadic. If you're unfamiliar with Nomadic, I think you're gonna like this. Look at this box. This thing is massive. So this is the box we're gonna be opening up today. This is the 2023 Q2 summer box. So stay tuned to the intro and we're gonna dive into this. What's up? Welcome back. My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. If you're new here, I do videos on beard products, outdoor gear, EDC gear, Nomadik Box unboxings. And this box is a little bit too big to put in my lap like I normally do. This is a quarterly box. Nomadic started doing quarterly boxes, 4 boxes a year. They're $150, but they have a $200+ value. Now, this one, like I said, is too big to put in my lap. But Nomadic also has monthly boxes that'll run you around $30 a month and have really awesome gear. So we're gonna dive into this box, see what all they have included for the summer box. Now you do still have time to pick this box up. I'm not sure of the deadline. I'll have it in the description or across the screen, the deadline to purchase this and get it. We're gonna be using the Victorinox Swiss Army Tinker to get into this box. I have done a review on this knife. I'll put a card up top and you can go check it out. All right, so let's go with the big blade. Big box, big blade. So the Tinker actually has a small blade and a large blade. We're gonna cut this. Now I have not opened this yet, but it's too large for me to do like I normally do. So we're just gonna have to go with it. And let's see. So we have our flyer on top, keep cool and adventure on. All right, so on the back side of your flyer, you have shop. There will be a link to Nomadic in the description below. I am an affiliate. So if you click on that link and you make a purchase, I do get a little bit of a commission, but I highly recommend you at least go check out Nomadic. So inside this box, it looks like we have 5 things. I'm not reading what they are, but we have 5 things here. On this side, we have Nomadic Challenge, and we have Nomadic tips that usually relate to the theme. So this one is going to be keep cool and adventure on. We're going to keep this in case we need to look up anything that's in here. Now, there's a very large box on the top. There's our sticker. All right, so let me get this box out. See if I can get it out before I open it. See if you can see. Look at this. I mean, it's the size of the box. Goodness gracious. And it says fragile. There we go. There's our box. So let's go back to the Tinker and see. We use the small blade. I always got to find it. We use the small blade on this. We got paper tape, hemlock hatch. So ooh, I think I know what this is. Do you know? What better way to stay cool in the hot summer than a hat? Oh yeah. Check this bad boy out. Oh yeah. Retail price $34. It's on the sticker. Nice straw hat. So we're gonna keep wearing this. We'll take my ball cap and throw it to the side. I see another really big item in here. Let's grab and go. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. A cooler. I'm thinking 13 quart cooler. Check that out. I always butcher that name. Speakwa. Hit my tripod. got a cooler with a detachable lid. Has 4 cup holders on the top. Pretty awesome for a quarterly box. And of course, you could use this for just about anything else. This is a 13 quart, 12 liter personal cooler. 24-hour extreme ice retention. Capacity, 10 cans, 2 ice packs. Yes. Cooler, straw hat. I think we're looking pretty good on this quarterly box so far. Next we have a Zubu multi-can cooler with multi-adapter lid cooler. Fits most can sizes and more. Let's check it out. I'm already seeing ways we're gonna stay cool this summer, because I can tell you it gets hot here. So you got a straw, insulated, and so the lid, I guess the lid just adjusts with whatever you put in here. But it says that it will hold multi-cans. You don't have to use the straw. It's got a closing mechanism there. So it comes with a straw, kind of a durable, feels like a durable plastic. Multi-can with multi-adapter lid. So cold for hours, lifetime warranty, and it is a 17-ounce bottle. So we will definitely have to give this thing a test and see how well it holds ice. All right, what else do we have? Nomadic changing poncho. What is this? Jackson green. Nomadic microtearing material is sand resistant, quick dry, and packs down small, making ideal for a changing poncho. Easily change in and out of your swimsuit or wetsuit. Sand and pet hair proof. A hood and a pocket, funk resistant. Water to weight ratio 4:1 absorbency, and dries faster than a cotton terry cloth. It is soft. Got a pocket here. This thing is huge. So you put it on, it's stitched on the sides. So you put it on, drape it over you, and you can change your bathing suit at the beach or the pool or wherever without worrying about people seeing your goods. So that's pretty awesome. It says you can even use it as a towel because it is sand and water resistant. Then we have Moku mushroom jerky. Now, I'm not a fan of mushroom, but I'm gonna try it. Okay, not today, I'm not trying it right now, but I'm gonna try it. I'll wait till my wife gets home and let her try it with me. So this is Hawaiian teriyaki. There you go. So Moku. And I think that is all we got. Pretty nice quarterly box. Cooler, straw hat, poncho to change, drink koozie or tumbler, however you want to look at it. You can use it for either one, can koozie or for drinks, and some jerky. There you go. So go check out the link below. Get the Nomadic. Go click on subscriptions and quarterly boxes, and you can see how to order this box. If you sign up for the quarterly subscription, you'll get 4 boxes a year, and they'll charge you, I think they bill you every quarter. So go check it out. I don't know what the value of all this is. Only thing that had a tag on it with a price was this hat, but I bet that cooler's not very cheap. But we're gonna test out the ice capabilities of that cooler. It says 24 hours, so we're gonna test it. Now, it's gonna get tested here because it gets hot here in Georgia. So there you go. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new here, you should have already hit that subscribe button. So if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe. Make sure to hit that thumbs up. And yeah, until next time, stay bearded. Get outdoors. We can stay cool now when we do. And God bless.